Hey, we're at Rosa Negro in Cabo San Lucas, where we're celebrating my birthday, and this place is a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun tonight. Yeah.
We're coming back to Cabo.
Yeah, and there you go. And Lori just said we're coming back to Cabo.
We're coming back. It's our new favorite place.
Actually, that would be a great title for a song. Coming back to Cabo. Coming back to Cabo.
Kind of like a little bit of the Eagles.
Coming.
I've been searching so long and I finally found my paradise, where the sun and the sand